For this first video, I'm going to answer the first two questions. So the first one hopefully is an easy one. Here's a confidence interval, and it ended up being 75 to 85. The confidence interval is found of a sample of 20 students. What's the sample mean of these students? Well, it's just kind of implied the sample mean is always halfway in between the confidence interval, so that'd be 80. And the margin of error would be 5, because each of the values are 5 from 80. If Mrs. Todd decided to look at 40 students instead of 20, would the interval get narrower or wider? And it would be narrower. Why? More data leads to better results. All right, this question is just to maybe help you understand what a confidence interval is a little bit better. So I'm just going to color code this. The true mean, here's a normal curve. So this line, and we could extend it all the way, is a true mean. And that, pretend you don't know what it is because it's from the population. So that's the whole point of taking confidence intervals. Sample means there's a whole bunch of confidence intervals represented. All of these dots are different sample means from different data. The margin of error is how far off a sample mean is from the end. So this would be an example of a margin of error. And then hopefully you guys know an entire confidence interval would be maybe the entire thing. There's an example of one of the confidence intervals. So there's 20 different confidence intervals given here. What percent of the 20 confidence intervals contain the true mean? Well, all of them hit the true mean within that range except for this one that's already circled. So 19 out of 20 or 95%.